In this video I will show how to install MCP server for Flutter version 2. Let's start from cloning the GitHub repository to the folder where you keep all your MCP servers. After it's cloned, go to the folder and open it with your favorite editor. Then go to the file Quick Start. It has all needed steps to go step by step to install the MCP server. So we already cloned. Let's go to the step 2 and run make install. It will install the MCP server, will create build for MCP server, which actually will be the MCP server. So the next step is to add MCP toolkit to your application. For example purposes, we already have the MCP, the Flutter application simple counter app in this repository. So let's add MCP toolkit and go back to the quick start. So after MCP toolkit is added, what you need to do is to actually initialize it in your application. So go to the main, and here you will see after widget Flutter binding, you need to add the MCP tooling binding instance with the initialize call, initialize Flutter toolkit. The difference and why it needed I will explain in another video. Also, the important thing is to add a handle zone error, but it's optional, so we already have it. Let's just run the application, and while the application is running, let's go to the next step. The next step is the important thing is to run application with the parameters. It should be in debug mode. It should have the port, exact port for VM servers, and it should contain disable service auth code. For example, just not to write these arguments every time, you can set up configuration in your VS Code config, so it will be more convenient. So let's go to the next step and add the actual config. I will show example for cursor, and the client will be the different video. So let's copy the configuration, go to the settings, and add it to the settings. So here it is. The important thing is to add correct path to your MCP server, and that's it. After that, you should be able to see the Flutter inspector here with the tools. If it's not running, try to restart and you will get MCP tools, and from that you can just let's test and then call the tools. I will use cloud. So here our app, and let's call view screenshots. So here is the call, and the issue was that we also need the set DDS port instead of VM service port. In the current main branch it should work fine. And just for clear experiment, we will use this config to run application again. And the important part is to make sure that Dart VM servers is running on the correct port. So here we are. We have the correct port 8181, the same as MCP server. We can make sure go to the here. It's customizable via inliv file, but for current purposes it's work out of box. So let's call view screenshots again, and we receive screenshot. The screenshot is here. We can call, so actually agent call get errors, and here example we have little prompt from MCP server already written. What agent can do with the error. Here is the description of the error, and here he tried to call MCP view details to get view details from the screen. So, and he suggests to wrap row expand list view. So here is a tab for cursor. Thank you for watching. Hope it will help. Share your thoughts in comments, and if you have troubles to set up, please write comment too. We'll wait to help. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.